So now I am with the most talented actress in the film industry. She's the one who has taken our hearts by this one movie, and after that, she gave so many hits one after the other. She is the DDLJ lady, Kajol. Let's welcome her with all the enthusiasm. So, how are you, Kajol, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm also good. It's really fun talking to you, and I really was willing to be with you in some of my interviews, and now the day has already come. So, my first question to you is that why do you love acting?
I love acting because it makes me more happy and I can bring different stories to my life by just an act.
Really nice, and I appreciate that by your stories you inspire a lot of newcomers in the industry to become good actors and to perform really well in their movies, and it's really nice. Okay, so my next question goes like, what's your favorite movie that you have been in?
My favorite movie is Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. It's very special for me because people still love it.
Yeah, people of any age, all the Gen Zs, millennials, and all the 90s and 20s kid, all are watching this movie a lot, and they people really love it. If you ask me, I can watch that movie 100 times once again, and that's like has taken our hearts. My next question goes, how do you get ready for a movie role?
I read my script, practice my lines, and get into characters' feeling. And if we don't get into characters' feeling only, so how the movie will look like a real story?
Yes, definitely. You have to dive in the character's role. And I have interviewed earlier Miss Priyanka Chopra, and she said the same lines that you have said, that she also dives in the character a lot, and she just becomes that role. And I really think that you also do the same, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Who is your favorite actor or actress from any industry, Bollywood, Tollywood, or whatever?
For that, I really admire my mother Tanuja. She is an amazing actress. Don't you like her acting?
Yeah, I'm a big fan of Tanuja ma'am, and all her movies really took our hearts, and I really feel that this age of actresses, don't you think that this age of actresses is not having that much catch for the audience, and they are not that uh, I won't say they're not best at their work, but they're a little lagging behind from the actresses of 90s that your age had, like Kajol, Karishma, and all. So don't you think that they need to be a little bit prepped up now? Yeah,
Yes, I
definitely,
think so.
right? Okay. So what's your favorite hobby besides acting?
I love to read books and spend time with my kids. And which mother don't doesn't like to spend their time with their kids?
Yeah.
It makes me feel fresh and my stress get released.
Okay, so you have two kids. One is Anaisa. Am I right?
Yeah.
Am I pronouncing her name right? Anaisa, and the other one is your son. So I really think that they are also gonna be in the same Bollywood industry. Are you going to take them to the Bollywood career next?
No, I will not force them to be in the Bollywood only. It's their choice
Yes.
in which they want to be success.
Yes, definitely. Okay, so what's your biggest challenge you have faced in your career till
My
now?
biggest challenge is that uh, getting me in the industries and balancing work with the family.
Yeah, definitely. Being a working woman is really tough job, and it is something that all women should admire about you, that you have balanced your work with your career, with your family really nicely, and balanced you have balanced it in a very nice manner. So we really appreciate that. And how do you stay connected with your fans?
I stay connected with my fans. Usually, I use social media, and I I am trying to meet them whenever I am. I can.
Yes. Okay, it's very important to be connected with the fans, because most of the Bollywood actor and actresses sometimes they don't
Forget.
connect with their fans a lot, and they think that doing only movies is fine. But I personally think that it's very important and it's essential to be connected with the fans, isn't it? And
Yeah.
you do it very nicely. Yes, I appreciate that. Okay, so what's your so that's gonna be my last question to you, Mrs. Kajol. What's your dream role in a movie?
My dream role in a movie is I would like to be a strong, powerful queen role in a historical story.
Yes, yes, definitely. And you're gonna get that movie soon. We really wish to see you in such kind of movie in
Yeah.
future. And it was very nice talking to you,
Thank
Mrs.
you.
Kajol. Thank you for being with us.